I'm Christian Staples with Arctic Spas. Let me introduce you to the game-changing innovation now available in Arctic Spas. But first, let's go way back to 2014. Arctic Spas introduces Spa Boy, the first automated saltwater system on a hot tub. Saltwater is a more natural way of treating spa water that takes salt water and turns it into a sanitizer to keep the spa water clean and clear. We actually started adding saltwater systems to Arctic Spas 8 years prior to 2014, so we have lots of experience with using saltwater in spas. Automation means that Spa Boy measures the water chemistry and turns on the saltwater system as needed. It knows what is going on in the water and can make the adjustment necessary to keep it clean and clear. Now in 2025, with all the years and thousands of Spa Boy systems out there, not one other manufacturer has copied us. I still cannot believe it. There are a few saltwater systems out there on other brands, but they are where we were back before 2014, where you, as a spa maintenance person, are responsible for the adjustment of the saltwater system. It is completely manual. Now it is time to take Spa Boy to the next level by adding what we call Smart pH. The saltwater side was automated with Spa Boy back in 2014, and now the pH side is now automated with Smart pH. Automation means that it is measuring the water, and when the pH goes a little high, it knows it and it will send a mild, low pH solution to lower the pH back down. So now the sanitizer side of water care is automated through measuring and adjusting the spa water with the saltwater system to get rid of all the bad stuff in the water, and the pH is automated, meaning it is measuring the pH and adjusting the pH as needed, keeping your water balance in line. With other brands, you are the one testing and adjusting the water chemistry to keep the water clean. With Arctic Spas, you can now depend upon Spa Boy to do the work for you. What do you need to do? Well, not much, but to replace the cartridges filled with the saltwater balance, which is Adjust Down. These will last, depending on your makeup water and usage, around 3 to 6 months. Arctic Spa also made this available to all previous Spa Boy owners since it is backwards compatible all the way back to those Arctic Spas built in 2014. We can now upgrade your older Arctic Spa for you. No other brand cares as much about spas that are already sold as we do. The thing is that you were not born to be a spa water chemist. You were born to achieve other great things in your life, not mastering spa water care. Leave that to Spa Boy with Smart pH only at Arctic Spa.